video is sponsored by Decorably, but all my opinions are my own, of course. So first impressions with this weekly meal planner. I like the abundance of pages. I love the top where it is perforated. You could rip it off easily. I love the hook if you want to hook it on to your fridge or a bulletin board. I love the magnet on the back. So the clean pastel love on the right, grocery list pad portion. On the left, meal planner portion, breakfast, lunch, and dinner each day of the week. And I like that you could tear it off and bring it with you to the grocery store. The paper quality is thick, high quality paper, so your pen or marker is not going to bleed through the page. Plenty of room for your meal planning, plenty of room for your shopping list, and the tearing is smooth and clean. Final verdict, this meal planner is going to turn weekly meal planning into a 5-minute habit. And it is always better if you have something organized, less chaos, functional, stylish, and great for busy kitchens. I highly recommend this weekly meal planner. Can't wait to use it.